So it's just a matter of doing something good. For example, you in your profession, as a sales or marketing or technical, then it's just like an advocacy. And if you can extend this advocacy or this passion to the captains of industry, like Mr. Strulig and the others, of course, RCBC, you check right now. Is create a little bit of pride in yourself. If you are an architect, if you're an engineer, if you're a part of this. Like I can tell you about, I've been a part of all of these things, a part of the nuclear plant. When the wedding happens, it should give you a blessing. Okay? So it creates a legacy. So right now, there is a great opportunity for you to start on this, on a professional level, especially those technical people, maybe your children to go into green, whether it's green architecture, green engineering, or whatever, something for the environment. Or molecular biology, it's a UPL is having a lot of that. Yes.
Yeah, one more question. Is there any listings of green manufacturing products already?
Yes.
For architects or contractors, developers, who, if they want to be green, they can go on some listing and find their product?
Yes, there's a catalog, of course, of green products from Australia. We have that. And then in this GDC, we have the green source. Okay. And that's the very purpose of the green choice. We have a catalog of all this listing. So in the US, in the other countries, it's very mature market. And we are in the process of market transformation right now. We're starting from you. Because I'm having a hard time with the suppliers to fill this up. Please, fill this up. So I have to give a lecture like this every day. All of you come tomorrow, okay? So 10 o'clock.
That's for LEED certified suppliers.
What's that?
That's for LEED certified.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you have like a Filipino version of these things as well?
Yes, yes. We are the Philippine Green Buildings Council is in the process of preparing for the green building rating system called BERDE, B-E-R-D-E, and it stands for, I forgot, BERDE,
Building excellence for responsible design.
Okay. So each country has their own. It might be LEED-based, like in Canada, like in Dubai, okay? But they call them different names.
So how can I sign up for that, for that certificate for the burden?
Okay, you go to Rachel.
A burden. Professor Katz, maybe this question is Luger, being a European recipient of European flower or eco-label in Europe, can they be part of, can they apply as a supplier of a LEED certified?
Yes, as long as they can fill up this form.
You can apply.
Okay, so you submit the cut sheets, the MSDS, the VOCs on the you understand MSDS, material safety data sheets, okay, and then you have the test results and the certifications. We'll see. I'm not telling you it will be that's a problem.
For evaluation.
So only those Christian and those Spaniards have to qualify. Okay, so it's very important. So what is the future? Having been here at LEED, L-E-E-D, then it will be easier for you to go into the birthday, and where birthday will be in place. So you wait for that. If you want to become a part of the seashore in the country, then you can hold with the Philippine Buildings Council and Dilibet and Betty will have. Or with Green Choice, okay? They can take you up. So Green Choice is something like an eco-labeling, okay, in the Philippines. It is a joint effort of the Department of Trade and Industry and the local environmental groups. Victor Ramos and
SEPSTI. Philippine Council for Environmental.
Vivek also, the others. Okay, any more questions?
Mr. Dipo.
Yes, one question.
Let's say if a product being manufactured outside of the Philippines and try to market our products here, like our manufacturing facility is probably in China. And of course, there's an MSDS of their own. But as you said, sir, that there's still a checking from your end, the DOC level and all are met. So, what would be, sir, the basic requirements for us to be able to be a lead product or a great product?
Yeah.
Since our manufacturing facilities is outside of...
Definitely, you will be already out of the original materials, okay? Like for example, this one, it has their manufacturing plant in the US, very, very far off, okay? Then, you can ask them for the recycled content, for the VOC content, they are certified good, completely renewable, or it's a material reuse. Okay, now, again, USGBC does some auditing. We audit 20% because there's so many. So, what you can squeeze out of your supplier, whether it's from China, like the one I told you, from Switzerland, then, but it's a big market, so, and they want to establish it because Swillig is not the first one. So having that in your file, okay, when you go around as a salesperson, as a technical, it will be a great help. Parang ganadala yung plastic of records. Ilan ba ang one sa plastic? Oh, I have only one. And it's chemistry. Unfortunately. General chemistry. I studied in an engineering and architectural school. Because I'm literally. That was in, what was that, 19, started 67 and graduated 71 at Makua, the signature words. Okay, any more questions? So, you get all of these data, MSDS. Siyempre, kung ito nanggaling sa hindi mo kilala, ganon. Then we have to call somebody from there, you know. We have a network, like how did they, like the first, ang daming lead certified sa China, yung Nokia building in China. First, there's a lot of them. So, there's a lot of big APs in China, okay? So you can just contact, this is, don't worry about those.
Question.
Yes.
Normally when they get the materials tested, they'll normally send a sample, right? So they won't send the entire collection. They'll maybe select a few. Is that a problem?
Yeah, there's a sampling mechanism, a sampling protocol. For example, if you ask a third party laboratory, okay, it's not just about Jerry was talking about, okay, you don't give your sealant there and test this. There could be a protocol in sampling design, it's called sampling design. So what they can do is that they can go at random to any hardware, to any store selling your product, get a sample from there. It's not that the sample that you give. There's a protocol involved in sampling. It's the same manner in surveys. So if you're gonna vote for the president,
Random.
it must be randomness. So that is measured in terms of your standard deviation, instead of your precision and the accuracy involved. So remember my